I'm Heather from MobyFox, and today I'm going to show you the new Batman collection. Now let's get into some details. So we can start off by showing the Red Justice one. It has the Batman up in here and this super gorgeous vibrant red color. Then we have like this super cool one, Shadow Armor. It's actually based on the new Batman suit. And if we take a closer look, we can see we have the black box and also the black buckle with the Batman logo engraved on it. It is super cool. And each box comes with 2 sets of lugs, so they can fit all Apple Watch sizes. And then we have this gorgeous handmade hand-stitched leather. This one is Night of Noir. It has the Batman logo embossed on the front. It's super smooth and super nice. Wow. So now let's get into the coolest part, which is let's try it on. You pick your Apple Watch. The short one goes up in here, this, and the larger one goes down here. Voila! So each strap comes with 20 free watch faces. If you lift up this foam inside of the box, you will see here the warranty. And if you turn it this way, you will see the QR code. First thing to do, you need to download the MobyFace app. It's actually free on the Apple Store. You click on My Faces down here, and then you click the QR icon here on the top. Once you have this open, you scan your QR code, and voila, you have your free Batman watch face collection. To install one, just click on whichever watch face you like, create watch face, and add. Cool, isn't it?